Do you suffer from stomach aches? Are you constantly bloated and suffering from poor digestion? We recently talked about it on the channel and even taught you a massage to alleviate the discomfort. Did you watch it? In today's video, we will show you 4 tricks to eliminate stomach gas. Stomachache is one of the worst feelings we can have. You can't eat properly and feel satisfied when you have pain, and it definitely messes your day up. One of the main reasons for a prominent belly is bloating. Although it is a natural body process, bloating is caused when 1 liter of the stomach and intestine is filled with gas. The air in the stomach happens because of gut microorganisms, bacteria that help in the digestive process. The harder it is for the stomach to digest food, the more gas it produces. However, these tricks we will teach you can help reduce gas. Drink lemon water. Lemon is a powerful acid, but it also contains a lot of vitamin C and antioxidants. To relax the stomach muscles and reduce the discomfort caused by gas, drink a glass full of warm water with 4 tablespoons of lemon juice in the morning. Eat papaya. This fruit is a natural anti-inflammatory that can improve the movements of the digestive tract. Juicy and excellent for smoothies, papaya contains a specific enzyme that helps with digestion by facilitating the breakdown of vitamins and avoiding unnecessary gas buildup. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends. You can also contribute to the channel through the thanks button. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of any new videos. Drink ginger tea. Ginger, like lemon, is an excellent food for cleansing the digestive system. It eliminates abdominal discomfort, breaking down the excess gas in the intestine. It is very helpful, especially for people who suffer from chronic indigestion. Add 1 slice of ginger to 17 ounces of water and bring it to a boil. When it starts boiling, turn off the heat, cover, and let it sit for 10 minutes before drinking. Avoid fried foods and carbonated drinks as much as possible. Fried foods are bad for your body. They have almost no minerals, vitamins, and essential fatty acids that the body needs to stay healthy and strong. Due to their high levels of saturated fats, fried foods release excessive amounts of gas during digestion. Carbonated drinks cause gas buildup, causing flatulence and burping. So, did you like these tricks? If they don't solve your issue, watch the suggested video and try this powerful belly massage. Then come back here and share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.